So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So we start our analysis with the SGX Nifty, right? Okay. So again, a gap down opening of 2%, right? So 350 points, more than 350 points gap down opening happening today, okay, approximately. Market is trading near 17,450. In the previous session, we have seen a good recovery from the after a gap down happening, and see market has recovered very quickly. And again, see, we are seeing again market is coming down by 2%, right? Okay. So now the logic here is that if you see the technical chart, we can simply see that that was a good recovery in the previous session. Now market will again open somewhere here only. Okay. So looking at the technical chart, and as we have done in the previous session, that even after this huge gap down opening, the trend is still looking positive. But there's a strong tussle happening between 18,000 and 17,500. Now, if we see the OI chart, we haven't seen any huge short buildup happening. So the trend is still positive that people are only creating a long positions, right? Okay. Now, if today, after today's market, we see that there is a huge short buildup coming up. So there might be a condition of trend change. But as of now, we can only see that the long buildups are coming up in the market. So even if market open with a gap down, there's again a good opportunity to buy. But we need to wait for at least for 15-20 minutes and see how market is behaving. If market is recovering, market has a tendency when it shows a gap down opening, it recovers quickly. And because it's not anything internal happening in India, it's all global. So market do have to be immune from these kind of situations, right? Okay. Now, if we check the OI from Nifty for this expiry, the today expiry, right? Okay. So on the higher side, again, we are talking about the level of 18,000 where we have the highest call option. Lower side, 17,500. So 17,500 would be a good level to play. So if markets open somewhere near this level, okay, so there might be good recovery from this level we can see. If market breaks and sustain below this, then we can see a good fall till like 17,400 or 300 also, right, on the lower side. Okay. So that's a view on Nifty. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty also. Okay, so Bank Nifty gave a very good move, and we have seen that Bank Nifty data specifically since mid of July, we have seen that good long build-ups coming up in Nifty, in Bank Nifty. Okay, and the trend of market is still continuing, and we have seen the private banks moved up in the previous session. So that's a good again, positions creating on the long side. Looking at the technical charts, market was trading near 40,000, so it would be a good breakout, but market might be opening again with a gap down opening. So let's see how market behave. Trend is still looking positive anyhow, so let's see how market behaves on this expiry. Talking about the Bank Nifty, so 39,000 could be a good level to play if markets open more than gap down above below this level. So 38,500. So these are the two levels where market can take support. Trend is still looking positive, and let's see how market behaves after this opening, right? Okay. Now let's see. So in the previous session, we have seen that private banks contributing the most, and across all these sectors after a long, we have seen that every stock, every sector was contributing on the positive side to the Nifty, right? And in the previous session, we have seen Bajaj Finserv moving up more than 5.5%. DLF, Oberoi Realty, those are the three top gainers in the previous session. And then PEL, that was a split, right? So we can ignore that. Syngene, NMDC, and Coromandel are the three stocks which are hitting on the negative side. Okay. Now we can check the pan list if some stocks are trading here. So no stock till now. Okay. Now let's talk about the trades specifically. So looking at the OI data and trap signals, there are a lot of, stocks came in this. So we can simply look at this private bank has performed a good. So ICC Bank looks positive on the technical charts and on the trap signal also. So ICC Bank has moved up above, all-time high. Okay. So you can see that that stock gave a breakout and from a good level. Now, with this gap down opening, even if the stock open somewhere around 880, that would be good buying opportunity for this stock, because this stock's continuously looking bullish, and we can simply create a good position in this. Okay, so 880 and 900 is the breakout level further. If market moves up and break above 900, the stock will definitely move up. So this stock looks positive, right? And okay, so ICC Bank again looks okay on the on OI data also. Okay, so that's see, you can see 900 is the where we have the highest call option. There is an unwinding happening on that call option also. 880 adding a good put, okay, and 870 also. So these two levels might be good support for the stock, right? Now next we can see Coal India looks again fine here, so we can talk about Coal India also. So Coal India is continuously moving up. This stock looks fine. Okay, now Coal India is actually having a good long positions happening. So no short positions in a month. Okay, almost. So that's good long build up. And let's see what's the level. Okay, so right now 235 or 240. Okay, so any dip towards 230 would be a good buying opportunity. So wait for the stock to correct, and all the stock gives a breakout above 235 or 240, then we can again look for good position, right, on the higher side. So both the stock looks positive, right? Okay, ICC Bank and Coal India. With this gap down opening, we'll wait for the market to show the recovery, and then we'll look for a long position. Okay. Specifically, let's wait for some time. Okay, let the market shows how it's behaving, and the initial volatility of the market should be fade out, and then we'll take a decision on the basis of this, right? Okay. So that's all. That's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.